Alright, now let's go ahead and analyze deaths and recoveries per 100 cases. But before that, we are going to first analyze confirmed and death cases on day-by-day basis. So, we have already the day-wise data. In this day-wise data, we have confirmed, deaths, recovered, active, new cases, deaths per 100 cases, recovered per 100 cases, and deaths per 100 recovered cases, and number of countries. From this data, we are going to first plot here confirmed and death cases, and then we will see how we can plot death, recovered, and death and recovered per 100 cases. Alright, so the first of all, we want here fig c, that's mean for confirmed cases, px.bar. So this is actually px.bar plot in Plotly. Then we have there day-wise. Then we have x is equal to date. Then finally we have there y is equal to confirmed cases. Then we have their color discrete sequence, and there we have active cases. Alright, so as we did it for confirmed cases, in the same way we are going to do it for death cases. So there we have death. Alright, let's go ahead and create here a subplot. Figure is equal to make underscore subplots. There we are gonna make rows, one row and then two columns. We are gonna use here shared x-axis is equal to false. That means x-axis will be not shared together. And then we have here horizontal spacing is equal to 0.1. Alright, then we have here subplot titles. In this subplot titles, we are gonna have here first confirmed cases. Death cases. Alright, now let's go ahead and add these two traces for confirmed and death cases into this figure canvas. That we can do with fig dot add underscore trace fig underscore c. Then there we are gonna take the data of 0th column, and then it is going to be represented into row 1, and the column is equal to 1. Similarly, we have their figure dot add trace. Then we have their death cases. Sorry, that should be actually the data instead of date. Then we have here row is equal to 1, and then column is equal to 2. And then finally, we are going to update the layout with height. So we have there fig dot update underscore layout, and there I'm gonna set height is equal to 480. And then finally I'm gonna do their fig dot show. With this you will see DHT, I think that's the DTH actually. Alright, so now you see we have got their confirmed cases and death cases. What we can do, we can just reduce this height to 400, so that will look cool. And we have here confirmed cases and death cases. In these confirmed cases, these are the cases which are increasing day by day basis worldwide. And then finally we have total confirmed cases 4 million, and this is the death which is increasing there day by day. With this, we can clearly see that the coronavirus is not going to stop anytime soon, and the cases are still increasing there with the exponential, or you can say on the linear basis. In fact, it's not exponential. Here it has become a linear, so it will keep increasing for some time still. Alright, so this is all about in this lesson. In the next lesson, I'll show you about the death per 100 cases recoveries and deaths on 100 recoveries. Alright, so see you in next lesson.